This is like literally 5 minutes after I filmed the last one. This is probably the UP from downtown that was waiting in the yard. A second train coming. And it's on the main. Excuse me. Oh shoot, I gotta back away because this is on the siding. That track right there. First UP on my channel. Excluding gate 44. 6758. C44AC 6516 and Jibo C45AC CTE 8137. Oh, C45AH actually. It is a rail train, welded rail train. Maintenance away flat car. Still, I've been asking this question ever since I shot my 3766 video. What are those things on top of the cars? They look like a toolbox or something like that. Don't know. Yeah, these are flat cars carrying continuous welded rails. Continuously welded rails. And there's a covered hopper as the buffer car. So it's just a mode train. Maintenance away. Back hopper, CMO 10116. That's cool. 4 units. And when I drove by, I couldn't get the numbers, but since it came, I got the unit numbers. That was epic.